Welcome to my channel Yantra Rakshana. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Unscrew all the bolts but keep two opposite bolts to support the rotating assembly. Remove the remaining bolts. Lift the pump. Place a wooden support under the pump packing bottom so the column pipe can be removed easily. Lower the pump and unscrew the column pipe flange bolts. Remove the column pipe. Unscrew the intermediate shaft mop coupling key locking grub screws. Remove the mop coupling and key. Uncouple the split collar. Remove the intermediate shaft. Remove the mop coupling into the intermediate shaft. Again place a wooden support under the column pipe bottom. Unscrew the column pipe flange opposite bolts. Remove the column pipe. Unscrew the second intermediate shaft mop coupling key locking grub screws. Remove the mop coupling and key. Uncouple the split collar. Remove the intermediate shaft. Remove the mop coupling in the intermediate shaft. Two intermediate shafts are dismantled. Lift the pump vertically to a standing position. Unscrew the reducer pipe flange remaining opposite bolts. Lift and remove the reducer pipe from the impeller shaft. Unscrew the impeller bowl remaining opposite bolts. Unscrew the impeller holding plate bolts. Remove the holding plate and also remove the split washer. Remove the impeller from the impeller shaft. Take out the impeller key. Unscrew the bowl bolts remaining opposite bolts. Lift and remove the bowl from the impeller shaft. Unscrew the impeller holding plate. Remove the holding plate and also remove the split washer. Remove the impeller from the impeller shaft. Take out the impeller key. Finally, remove the impeller shaft from the ballast.